George just doesn't get enough sleep. Now in the afternoon, he's tired. It's hard for him to pay attention. George doesn't realize it, but his main trouble is bad sleeping habits. Yes, George has bad sleeping habits. He finds it hard to go to sleep. He finds it hard to go to sleep. That's because he hasn't formed the habit of going to sleep at a regular time each night. It's just as hard for him to wake up in the morning. Get up, George! Get up, George! The morning starts badly. The whole day goes badly when you get too little sleep too often. You keep on paying the penalty for bad sleeping habits. Bad sleeping habits. You don't have much fun when you're tired and low in energy. Lack of sleep makes it hard for you to do your best. You're irritable and cross, hard to get along with. People don't like you, and you don't like yourself when you're like that.